Welcome to the Mama Girl channel. Today we're gonna do an oil test on the Honda Accord. My last video on this car on oil test was about 7 months ago. Today is March the 16th, 2022, and I've had people ask me what engine oil has been in this engine. All that was used was a Honda genuine oil. It's 5W30. It's the recommended oil for this car. This is one of the kegs, and I've been told it's basically a fully synthetic mobile oil, just rebranded for Honda, but not sure if that's true. But here we go. Been out in the car very infrequently, so I've probably done maybe about 20 or 30 or just over 20 or more kilometers. We'll check what the mileage says. Let's get a check on that first of all. Not sure if you can see that close up. Have another look, see if we can get closer. Let's see if we can get closer. You see that? What does it say there? 103,625. Can't remember what the last mileage was, but I haven't been out in this car in the last 7 months for much. So let's go do an oil test. Yeah, as you can see, the car's a bit dusty from the rain. So let's place this camera down somewhere where you can get a good angle. We'll do it like this. Let's get this camera down. There we go. That should be okay for now. Now let's take some oil out. Like I said, the oil's been in there about 7 months since the last test. In total, the oil's been in this car 2 years, 9 months. I think my last video was for 2 years, 2 months. For 2 years, 9 months, which is approaching 3 years of the engine oil being in this car. Like I said, I change the engine oil in this car usually. Earliest date is usually roughly every 2 years. I've had the car now for about 11 years now, and it works beautifully. So let's start with taking out some oil from the engine. So let's go. The oil hasn't gone down at all. Not sure if it's visible there, but yeah, it hasn't gone down at all. So, a few more, and then we should have enough oil to do the test. That's it. This oil has been in this engine for almost 3 years. I think 2 years, 9 months. But in the last 7 months, I've only driven, I think, about 20 or 30 kilometers. No, shouldn't be more than that, but we'll do the calculations. You can check. We'll check with the last video. I think I have enough for testing there. I think I'll take one more. up. We'll take one more. Let's see what shape the oil is in. Let's get our device ready. There. And let's bring the camera up close so we can put the unit on first. This is the normal procedure. Make sure our 1 and 10 are flashing. You can see the 1 and 10 flashing. And then we apply the oil. So it all covers the sensor completely. And then we should be ready for our test. I'll bring this tester over here. So it's sitting flat on the battery. Then we'll do our test. And it's a number 4. If I remember correctly, the last one was also a number 4. So I've done about 20 or more kilometers and not much has changed. The oil is still in very good shape. It's been 2 years, 9 months now in the engine and it's looking good. I've been using this tester literally since soon after I got this car, 2010, and engine's running beautifully. I think I should just run it for a few minutes, so I'll give you guys a view. Let's have a look at the results again. You see it's a number 4. Number 4 is flashing there. Jolly good. So I shall switch it off. Clean up a bit of the oil. I'll clean it up a bit better later on, but for now, let's go start the engine. Not for mine. Thank you, man. Yes, ma'am. So, let's start the engine. Where are my keys? My pocket. See what comes on. It's been engines come on. Yeah, it's all looking good. Let's go have a look at the engine. So if you're wondering what that whine is, it's the steering pump. I had an issue with it long ago where there was some leakage. So I bought sealant from the States, and since then when engine starts up, you do get a bit of a whine. It tends to quieten down as the fluid circulates. So yeah, this is the car running. And that's it for today. We have oil in an engine. It's been in there 2 years, 9 months, and the oil is still looking good. Well, that's it from the Mommy Girl channel. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and goodbye.